this is going to be a simple teardown of the upper receiver. I already pounded the rail, so it's easy to just pull it off. Okay, next. Oh, I have no idea what this little door is for. But anyways, go ahead and start removing all the screws. This is for the dust cover. I'm going to be modifying that because I'll be running rewiring up front. I'm going to rewire it to a PQ box, but not right now. I'll just show you how to remove the, what the heck that thing's called, trigger assembly. That's it. Remove the trigger assembly. And if you want to mod a flashlight up front, that shouldn't be too hard to do. Just remember there's a screw right up front that holds the front cover. Slides right off. I'm going to go ahead and take all this off, stick a flashlight in there. Okay, is it ready? It is ready. This whole trigger assembly pushes right off. So just grab your trigger, comes right off. And just remember there's a notch for this trigger guard cover. That should be it. Simple. And what I'm planning on doing is rewiring it up front, desolder this, and just run this back up front. And let's see how this thing looks. Dremel a groove somewhere through here. I could probably just go right through. And of course I need to dust cover. Dremel a groove right through here, right through the center. That'll allow me to route it all the way up to the front. And you could use much bigger flashlight or much bigger lipos. Simple enough.